everyone, I am Dr. Mungli. So in my previous video, I have explained what is the mechanism of keto diet in weight loss management, how exactly keto diet decreases the weight. So you can take a look at that video. The link for that video I have given in the description below. So in this video, I will be going over the list of keto foods. Let's get into that. Alright, so the first and foremost keto food that it is kind of, you can say it as a staple food for people who follow keto is fresh meat and poultry contain almost no carbs. They are also a great source of high quality protein which help preserve muscle mass during very low carb diets. And also meat and poultry are rich in B vitamins and several important minerals. Recommended thing is grass-fed meat and free-roaming chicken is much more nutritious than farm-fed meat and poultry. The second in the list is seafood. Fish and shellfish are very keto-friendly foods. Salmon and other fish are rich in B vitamins, potassium, selenium. Virtually they are carbohydrate-free. Salmon, sardine, mackerel and other fatty fish are very high in omega-3 fatty acids which are essential fatty acids, absolutely necessary for us. The third in the list is cheese. Most cheese like cheddar cheese, cottage cheese, goat cheese, feta, mozzarella, parmesan, to name few of these cheeses. They are very low in carbs and high in fat which makes them a great fit for ketogenic diet. Cheese also has a good amount of protein and calcium. So though they are rich in saturated fat, but they make a great keto food. Now the fourth in the list is eggs. Eggs are one of the healthiest and most versatile foods on the planet. One large egg contains less than 1 gram of carbohydrates and about 6 grams of protein. This makes eggs an ideal food for ketogenic lifestyle. In addition, eggs have been shown to trigger hormones like increase in feelings of fullness and satiety. So that makes eggs one of the best keto food. Now the fifth in the list is low carb vegetables. Now non-starchy vegetables are low in calories and carbs but high in many nutrients including vitamin C and several minerals. So vegetables and other plants contain a higher amount of fiber which will help our body to slower the digestion process and feel the fullness, feeling of that fullness and thereby decreasing hunger. So what are the list of non-starchy vegetables that are recommended here? Broccoli, and then we have cabbage, cauliflower, cucumber, green beans, eggplants, kale, lettuce, olives, peppers, spinach, tomatoes, and most importantly avocados. Avocados, they contain healthy fat, low carb and they make a great keto food, especially coming from vegetable source. Avocados are also higher in several vitamins and minerals including potassium. Now let's come to certain oils. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is one of the best oil that can be used during keto diet. So coconut oil, it contains a medium chain triglycerides. So the medium chain fatty acid, especially lauric acid which is present in coconut oil, it is directly absorbed by the intestine into the portal circulation and it goes to the liver, and in the liver these are oxidized to give energy including formation of ketone bodies, and that's why coconut oil makes a great food for keto diet, those who follow keto. Now olive and olive oils. So olive and olive oils, they contain higher amount of oleic acid which is monounsaturated fatty acid, and especially extra virgin olive oil contain higher amount of antioxidants, especially polyphenols. As a pure fat source, olive oil contains no carbs. And also note that olive, it contains oleuropein, the main antioxidant found in oils, and also it has got anti-inflammatory properties and it may protect your cells from damage. Coming to nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are healthy, they contain high fat and low carb. And nuts and seeds also has got higher amount of fiber and also higher fat content. It kind of makes you feel full and decreases the hunger. So some of the nuts and seeds to mention here are almonds, Brazil nuts, cashews, macadamia nuts, pecans, pistachio, walnuts, chia seeds, flax seeds, pumpkin seeds, sesame seeds, and lastly, but not the least, peanuts. Coming to berries. So most fruits are too high in carbohydrates, especially fructose. Generally, they are not recommended in ketogenic diet. But one of the fruit that is exception here is berries. So berries are exception because berries contains low carbs and they are high in fiber. In fact, raspberries, blackberries, they contain as much fiber as digestible carbs. Blackberries, blueberries, and raspberries, strawberries, all these things are recommended in keto diet. Coming to butter and cream. Butter and cream are good fats to include on a ketogenic diet. Each contains only trace amounts of carbs per serving. Let's come to plain Greek yogurt and cottage cheese. So, plain Greek yogurt and cottage cheese, although they contain some carbs, but they can still be included in ketogenic lifestyle, but make sure you keep it in moderation. Shirataki noodles. Shirataki noodles are a fantastic addition to ketogenic diet. They contain less than 1 gram of net carbohydrates and gives only 15 calories per servings. In fact, these noodles are made from viscous fiber called as glucomannan, which can absorb up to 50 times its weight in water. Viscous fibers forms a gel that slows down food's movement through the digestive tract, and this can help decrease hunger and blood sugar spikes, making it beneficial for weight loss and also diabetes management. And the unsweetened coffee and tea. Coffee and tea are healthy, carb-free drinks. They contain caffeine, which can increase your metabolism and also may help improve your physical performance, alertness, and mood. So, unsweetened coffee and tea is recommended. Dark chocolate and cocoa powders also recommended in ketogenic diet. Both dark chocolate and cocoa powder provide antioxidants, especially when dark chocolate contains more than 70% of cocoa powder. Alright, so these are the list of keto foods both for vegetarians and non-vegetarians. So that's about it. Thank you for watching and consider subscribing to this channel. I will come up with other health related videos. Till then, take care.